Given free will, but within certain limitations. I cannot will myself to limitless mutations. I cannot know what I would be if I were not me. I can only guess me. So when I say that I know me, how can I know that? What kind of spider understands arachnophobia? I have my senses and my sense of having senses. Do I guide them or they me? I'm an evil man. Don't you bother with me.
मस्त मस्त झूलेलाल कलंदर 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 मस्त मस्त झूलेलाल कलंदर
Don't you bother with me.
Ye mariners all as ye pass by, come in and drink when you are dry. Spend, my lads, your money brisk, and pop your nose in a jug of this. Tipplers all as you pass by, come in and sit if you are dry. Spend, my lads, your money brisk, and pop your nose in a jug of this. Tipplers all, if you laugh the crowd, you're welcome all for to sit down. Come in, sit down, think not amiss to pop your nose in a jug of this. And now I'm old and can scarcely crawl, have a long grey beard and a head that's bald. Crown my desire, fulfil my bliss, a pretty girl and a jug of this. And when I'm in my grave, merry miners all as ye pass by, come in and drink when you are dry. Spend, my lads, your money crisp, and pop your nose in the jug of ale.
Okay.
Devastating honesty gives you the upper hand. I'm tired of explaining all the things that I can't stand. Don't go any further if you have any doubts at all. Don't go to Darlington if you've anywhere else to go. Is this a game you play? Can you tell me the rules? Because if I know that I can play the damn thing too. But if I learn how to play, then you'll change all the rules. I can't keep up with this, but I know what to do. I'm going to play a different game. I don't need to tell you of the place you occupy in my mind. Feeling through the dark for you, it occurs to me I might be blind. Is this a game you play? Can you tell me the rules? Because if I know that I can play the damn thing too. But if I learn how to play, then you'll change all the rules. I can't keep up with this, but I every time it's clear again. It's clear again. Yeah, yeah. It's clear again. Yeah, yeah. Only the best of what she's watching requires the sluggishest of signs. 'Cause I detest a